The Heirloom Arrangements card kit comes with everything you need to create 8 different gorgeous butterfly and flower themed cards. This kit was actually Stampin' Up's most popular of the year. And it is very different because although they have sample cards on the front, the instructions walk you through step by step, as they normally do, on 3 cards only, and allow you to use all the pieces to create your own designs. So you can mix and match these individual pieces as you desire. It does come with a stamp set and an ink block and a ink spot and a block. So anyway, here you have just a sample. So again, you can choose to do them just like they are shown in the picture here, which is what I did pretty much, or you can change it up. And you can stamp on your envelope as well to add that coordinating effect. So there's card 1. I feel lucky to have you. Again, you can choose the sentiment you want. Look at those beautiful pieces, very vintage, thankful and grateful. I think my aunt would love these. I may send these to her as a gift. So we've got those gorgeous butterflies. Here's one. And again, so I've taken those flat die cut pieces and I just use actually my piercing tool just to wrap around and bend the leaves or the butterfly wings just a bit, or the flower petals, just to give it some added dimension. I think it has a great impact. So again, you've got another one here. I love the colors. I love the softness. I like that you can change them up however you want. And finally, I feel lucky to have you. So there you have it. 8 cards, Heirloom Arrangements. Grab your kit. Oh, did I include anything extra on this one? Give me just a minute here. I don't think so. Everything you need is in this kit. Okay, there you go. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.